Good morning, 8 Ocean team. It is Monday, March 30th, and I'm just coming to you with a good morning message on Monday. This is River. He's saying good morning as well, but he's a little sleepy. We are just letting you know that this week is the last week with the Google Classroom. This Google Classroom has been a place for enrichment, and it has been amazing, and I love that you all connected with it. But on Friday will be the last day that we have our Google Classroom. On Monday, we are going to move back to Schoology. Next Monday, we're moving back to Schoology, and that's where we're going to keep all the other things happening moving forward. There's a lot of new information that your parents will be getting this week, and we'll be sending you emails. The 8 Ocean team teachers, Ms. Lamison, Mr. Miller, Ms. Slusser, and I are going to have an 8 Ocean Zoom meeting tomorrow for the teachers. And we're going to get really organized before we tell you anything more about what's happening next week. But just know that this is the last week with the Google Classroom. So what does that mean for you? If you have any assignments on Google Classroom that you need to complete, please do it by Friday. All right, so that being said, my Darwin Journey Hyperdoc, I'm so pleased with how many people have it done. So right now we have 32, 10 people I returned, 22 I need to give you comments and send them back. But I know more than that. I know more than 32 people have it done. So if I scroll through here and I stop at Anna, so let's give some shout outs. Thanks, Riley, for turning yours in. Thanks, Salish. Thanks, Skylar. Thanks, Sydney. Thank you to all these people who have them turned in. However, if I just go down here to Anna, I see that you have your board completely read and you have 4 attachments, but you didn't hit the submit button. So if that is indeed done and you want credit for it, please hit submit. Caden, I see you have it done. It's hit submit. Emma, you're almost done with yours. Finish that up. Hit submit by Friday, please. Josie, same thing. Okay, so anyways, so please, if you want credit for this Darwin Journey Hyperdoc, please hit submit. Next week, when we finally go to remote learning, I'm not going to tell you too much about it yet, but when we do, that Darwin Journey will turn into a formal graded assignment. So you have it done. It's one less thing that you have to do whenever we start remote learning. So get that done by Friday, please. My question for you today, my discussion question for you today is, what concerns do you have if we were to move to like a graded, formal, online community where we are grading activities? So what would be your biggest concern? What was one thing that you're like, oh, I don't know how this would work? Hit us up in the comments. Let us as teachers talk about it tomorrow and then try to troubleshoot things before if we move into this remote learning next week. I want to try to make this as easy as possible for you. So what concerns do you have? Hit us up in the discussion post today. We as teachers will talk about it tomorrow, and then look for an email from me on Thursday of this week or another video post. All right, let's see lots of videos from me. I hope you enjoy it. I miss you. One thing, my message for you today is to be kind to your parents. Say please and thank you. Running this dual life of staying at home, being a full-time mom, teacher, and also then trying to work from home as well, it is stressful for everyone. All right, no one has ever done this before, and it's stressful for everyone. So be kind to your parents. Say thank you. Appreciate little things that they do for you every day, okay? All right, guys, miss you. I wish we could see each other, but we will Zoom soon. We will Zoom as a whole 8 Ocean team very soon. Okay, guys? I will talk to you later. Have a good day.